Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make fermented sauerkraut. First, gather your ingredients: fresh cabbage and non-iodized salt. This simple combination is all you need for a delicious, probiotic-rich food. The magic happens through natural fermentation, where beneficial bacteria transform the cabbage. Always start with a thoroughly cleaned and sterilized jar to ensure a safe and successful process. Next, prepare your cabbage. Remove any outer, damaged leaves, then quarter and core the cabbage. Shred it thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick, for the best texture. Place the shredded cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle with salt, typically 2% of the cabbage's weight. Massage the salt into the cabbage for about 10 minutes until it releases plenty of liquid, forming its own brine. Now it's time to ferment. Pack the salted cabbage tightly into your clean jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. Pour any remaining brine over the cabbage, ensuring it is completely submerged. Use a fermentation weight or a smaller jar filled with water to keep the cabbage under the brine. Cover loosely and ferment at cool room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 4 weeks. Once your sauerkraut has fermented to your liking, usually after 3 to 4 weeks, it's ready to be stored. Remove the weight and seal the jar with a tight-fitting lid. Transfer the sauerkraut to the refrigerator, where the cold temperature will slow down the fermentation process. Properly stored, your homemade sauerkraut can last for several months. Enjoy it as a tangy side dish, on sandwiches, or with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.